Hello and welcome everybody from Abu Dhabi, the capital of the United Arab Emirates. This time let's discover the heritage village, which is a Bedouin village museum. So here we can discover how local Emirati people were living before the oil boom, before the territory became very rich. So let's go inside this museum and discover these old houses and how people were living here. Right after the entrance there is a bazaar. It's a little bit surprising, but well, we are at a tourist attraction, so it's normal. You can find here some souvenirs. Actually you can buy these more cheaper in the city. Some Kashmiri stuff and clothes. So it has like a bazaar feeling, a souk. You can find here many local stuff. Let's also discover what this heritage village offers. There's also a mosque. Of course, the mosque should be here, a masjid. Very nice place. Here we can discover the traditional desert environment, like a small Emirati settlement. Usually there was a gate with bastions like this, and if you see the sand, it has a reddish color, very similar to the Lakbab desert, which I presented in another vlog. I will link it now if you didn't watch it. It's very interesting that here in UAE I saw many times that the color of the sand is so reddish. It's a little bit different compared to other deserts. And here you can find the traditional oasis house, Bait al-Wahat. This house is made of palm tree fronds from the oasis areas, Al Ain, and it was inhabited by the farmers' families. Well, inside is nothing. I already took a look, but it's very interesting how they were living in these shacks. Let's discover what else we got here. Very huge UAE flag in the background. Oh, camel is outside. Wow. This house is made of hair of goat and sheep to achieve strength and solidity, called Bait al-Yanubi. It's used in winter, and it had different sizes and shapes according to the number of the members of the family. Traditional Arabic horse, decorated, very colorful. Something is preparing, or I don't know, because horse is outside, and also the camel. Here we can also find some goats. Maybe they can take photos with the camel. This is Bait al-Evani, a house made of sackcloth and it was used in winter. In the upper part of this house, the branches of Al Sabt and Al Taman trees are added, and the house is surrounded by the branches of Al Mak tree in order to keep a moderate temperature inside, not too hot. It's like a photo opportunity for tourists. This is also a very traditional place where locals were drinking coffee and tea. Al Hadira, this is how it is called. It is constructed from 3 branches of Al Marak, Al Tammam, Al Sabt, Al Ramt or Al Sili, and is used by the Bedouins as a gathering place for guests where Arabic coffee and traditional sweets and dishes were served. Each cluster of houses has its own designated area for welcoming and hosting guests, so this was very important to have such a place where the guests can be welcomed.
Они вот эту палатку открыли, тут жили люди на палатках. Уже бедные, не такие богатые арабы жили.
This is Bait al-Shar. It is made by combining goat hair with wool for strength and durability. It is used by the Bedouins during cold days, during the winter season, and comes in different sizes according to the number of family members. I just walked to the edges of the heritage village. So this place, this village museum, is located in a beach area, so we can spot some beautiful beaches around the heritage village. Very beautiful sight. This is the coastal people's house. This is how Emirati people lived near the coastal region. It's interesting that this house also has a tower. Well, at least here we have some furniture, a little bit, compared to the previous exhibition where we didn't see anything. Oh, interesting place. I can imagine that the life back that time was really slow. The locals were fishing, the women were raising children, they came together, drank some coffee, ate some fried fish, maybe sold some fish or got in exchange some other goods. So yeah, pretty stressless life. Traditional pottery store. Let's take a look. Wow, it is really like we traveled back in time. Nobody here, but I'm pretty sure that some of this stuff can also be bought. They are selling some pottery items, some cans, and this is the old machine which was used to produce the pottery stuff. I cannot really explain how it is, but it's really interesting. Copper store. Here are the tools of the craftsman. This is a very interesting cup. Wow.
Egypt. From Egypt. You know Egypt? Oh.
Russia.
Russia is
I know Egypt, I know. Yeah. He's from Egypt. Making some Emirates flags. Very beautiful hand-woven carpets for the wall decorations. Wow, really beautiful.
Ovoga se srema onoga što nosi iskreno, rekao sam mu za donesi peškir.
A, čula sam.
So this was the vlog about Heritage Village. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if that's so, please subscribe to my channel if you didn't do it yet. It's very important to push on the bell icon, because this is how you get notified about the new contents. Have a nice day and goodbye.